What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses and how I use my Meta smart glasses every day. Let's go! The beauty about these Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses is that they are transitions. So when the glasses are the UV rays, gets tinted, turns it into sunglasses. That's what I love about them. Now, if we're going to talk about internal storage, it does have 32 gigabytes, which captures up to 500 plus photos and about 100 plus videos 30 seconds. Isn't that crazy? Now, if I wanted to take a video of my Meta smart glasses, I can do so. Hey Meta, take a video. As you can see, we're looking in front of the skyline of CN Tower. It's very beautiful. And the weather outside is about like -8, super windy. You can see my friend Matt over there. Say hello to the camera. Meta, take a picture. You can also ask like, what is the battery percentage? Hey Meta, what is your battery percentage?
Battery 63%.
Wow, I had my glasses up to like 100%. The Meta glasses doesn't do well when it comes to cold weather especially. So maybe that's the reason why the battery is draining.
1 hour later.
Man, it's cold outside, so I'll just shoot inside my room. Anyway, here's what I really love about these glasses. First, it's the design. Ray-Ban nailed it. I think they just feel like regular sunglasses, but with extra functionality. Second, it's easy to use. Everything from recording to pairing with the app feels seamless. And finally, the audio quality. It's clear and crisp for music and calls, especially in quiet environment. So are the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses worth it? If you're about blending fashion and tech together, don't mind the shorter battery life. These might be perfect for you. But if you're expecting a groundbreaking performance, you may want to wait for the next generation. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you at the next one.